Hey everyone, welcome back to the Stoner Car Care YouTube channel. Today we're going to teach you how to upgrade your wheel cleaning experience. First things first, let's get comfortable. Next, we're going to need a few tools that are going to give us access to cleaning every part of this wheel. Not just the tire, not just the face of the wheels here, but something that's also going to reach inside the wheel barrel here. We're going to be able to clean all of this from the outside without taking the wheel off. This wheel barrel cleaning brush is going to give us the access we need to kind of get in there and clean that spot without taking these wheels off. But as an added benefit, you can also use to get in the wheel well here, where that access is really tight between the clearance of the tire and the wheel well. So we get that nice and clean with one of these as well. And of course, you're going to need your favorite wheel cleaner, a couple other brushes just to get the tire and inside the lug nuts, and a pressure washer. So let's get into it. Spray down the wheel here. And notice it's turning orange where it's reacting with any kind of iron particles. All right, so we're gonna start scrubbing in the wheel barrel here to get that part clean first, and we're gonna work our way out. I'm gonna brush the outside of the tire here. Now let's clean these wheel wells real good with just an all-purpose cleaner and this wheel barrel brush. Spray some of this up in here. And get all the access you need. Kind of go up there, scrub, break any dirt loose, agitate it all. It's just something I wouldn't have access to without this style brush, without taking the wheel off. All right, so now we have the right chemicals to clean the tire. We have the right access from those tools to clean every inch of it. Now it's just all down to just rinsing it. And that just goes to show you how having the right tools for the job make it that much easier to do. As you can see, that is way cleaner than we could have ever gotten it without having the right access to doing it, or pulling off the tire altogether. But if you're doing a quick maintenance wash, that's the easiest way of doing it. That's the most enjoyable way of doing it. Thanks for joining us in this one. We'll see you in the next one.